Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name's Bobby Waldron and welcome to July's show. Now we have got an absolute ton of news to announce this month, so we're going to sort of do a little bit of a different format with the show. It's going to be more sort of news based because there is absolutely loads and loads. So just to quickly get this out the way, I just want to get out the way the competitions and we'll go over the news. So if you remember last month, the competition was for these beauties here by tancraft.com. Really cool, nice cutting mats and everything. This is the Sherman version. We've got a big one and a small one, so there's two of you who are going to win. And after doing the usual random number generation program, counts down the thread, I came to Tony Grandad. So congratulations to you. You are the winner. You're the winner of the bigger one. And then again, after doing the random number generation program, I came to Jeff, which gets you the smaller one. All you got to do is contact me with your mailing address and I'll get these shipped out to you free of charge. So congratulations. But just to jump straight into this month's competition, right, we are going to be giving away this here by Revell. This is the 1/48 scale Phantom FGR2. Really nice kit. I do like this because Revell does this cool thing where they go off and they get Hasegawa's kit, which is a really nice kit, and they reboxed it with Revell, give them nice decals and everything. It just makes it a nicer, cheaper way of getting a Hasegawa kit, if you ask me. So really cool kit up for grabs. And as always, go to Genessis Models forum and in the competition section, post something, count me in or something to that effect. So I've got no questions this month because there's so much going on, but thank you for all your feedback on the 4K cameras last month. Really does help me sort of decide whether and where I am going to go with these sort of things. The 4K camera, I do think I'm going to slowly sort of add 4K cameras as we go along. Probably the next 4K camera is going to be the face-to-face camera, so the face-to-face is going to be 4K, and then probably the bird's eye view camera, this one just here, is probably going to be the third 4K camera. But let's move along with the absolutely ton of fantastic news that's happening at Genessis Models. So the first bit of news is going to be a whole new store. Now, we've always had like a little store button. You could go on there and you can get stuff like merch, t-shirts, mugs, that kind of stuff. But we're actually having a full-on proper online store where you can get all your paints, your kits, your tools, absolutely everything. And this is all down to, I did send out a video kind of basically saying to everyone, if you wanted to sort of come on board and be part of the Genessis Models team, you want to set up a store or become a presenter and all these kind of things. And we had pretty much a really fantastic response from you guys, and we've got someone on board. His name's Steve Robinson. He's going to be managing the online store, aka Steve R on the forum. You probably already know him, and he's going to be setting up a proper online store, which is actually moving along really fast. A lot of hard work going on behind the scenes. We could be seeing this store as early as the beginning of August. So as you can see, happening really fast. Really excited for that, and it just it really does put Genessis Models in a sort of like a one-stop place to go. You know, you can see all your videos, the forum, the interaction, learning the hobby and everything, but at the same time you could go off and buy everything as well, and it's all just going to hopefully link up really well. I know I do get a lot of comments of people saying things like, you saw me use, I don't know, say some micro-sol decaling solution in the video, where do I get that from? Well, now we can go off and, you know, give a link straight to the Genessis Models store and you can go buy it there, and it should hopefully make things easier, put everything all under one roof. So I'd really appreciate if you guys actually get on board and help support this store. It'd be really nice to get it to really grow, really sort of explode with growth and everything. But as always, you know, it's all down to you guys supporting Genessis Models, which you have always done over the years. But it would be really nice to see this store get off the ground. So hopefully you haven't spent all your money in lockdown, you've got a bit left over to go buy some more goodies from the new Genessis Model store, which hopefully should be coming real soon. The next thing up as well is an absolutely new presenter here at Genessis Models. Again, another member to our team, which is kind of exciting. We've gone from me being years and years and years being a one-man band to, in the space of a month, we've got like a proper good team going on here. So we've got a new presenter. He is Bill Boudreau, aka Boo J on the forum, and he's going to be our brand spanking new presenter. I've already got a video up for you guys, should have gone up around about the same time as this show, so hopefully you've already seen him, or if not, go check him out. He is actually doing a C130. Is it a C130? Oh yes, it is C130, just checked, as well as next week we'll have a Viper from him. So he's doing some nice inbox reviews, and hopefully you're going to enjoy that. Hopefully you're going to enjoy a new presenter. This is all just nice, lovely extra video footage. This isn't me being replaced a bit. I'm going to be doing my normal footage, my normal videos, and Bill's going to be sending us some nice extra footage. So hopefully you're going to enjoy more content, more videos being released, and hopefully you're going to enjoy our new presenter. So you know, hopefully you'll all welcome him nicely there, which then brings us to another member. This member's of our team is a bit more sort of behind the scenes. It's more doing the marketing side of things. It's Lee Mancini, aka Mancy on the forum. His sort of specialities is doing stuff like analytics, and he's hopefully going to be going off and contacting you know, manufacturers and stuff, and maybe getting some deals, getting some kits in, and all sorts of cool stuff like that. So you know, warm welcome to Lee, and welcome on board the team, and hopefully he should bring a lot of cool stuff our way as well. So it's really exciting to have him on board, as well as all the analytics. It's really cool how he's got all this experience in you know, views, and how many views come to the website and the YouTube, and you know, just loads of cool stuff. It's quite interesting, some of the things he's found. But next up as well, another big thing that's happening as well is gonna be the website. And so with the website, we're basically going to be having a nice new website, nicely upgraded, nicely modernized, you know, more features, more interactive, better account system and everything. There has been a lot of talk about it. I've been talking with a lot of you on the forum. I know there's been some concerns and stuff, because it's at the moment it's a lot of sort of just talk, shall we say, in the sense of, you know, how we're going to go about it. I know there was a bit of concern about the forum, because we was kind of going, shall we have a brand new forum, but it means losing the old forum, and it was just a discussion. Nothing's set in stone, nothing's happening on that. I mean, things are happening quite fast. In fact, I had a call with someone this morning, but the forum's not going away. It was just a little suggestion, because I know some people got concerned about that. But it is looking really cool, because we're going to be building this new website, and it's going to have loads of cool features. When it happens, this one I don't know actually. It was going to be me building it via Wix, then it was going to be now we're thinking like WordPress. I was going to build it because I built the last one, but then I had a phone call this morning of somebody saying they were going to build us one. You know, so we just got to see how things sort of play out with that one. It could be like really happen kind of, you know, within a couple of months, or it could be like 6 months to a year. You know, just sort of hold fast on that one. But with the website, the way I want it to go is, first off, the kind of features we're going to be looking at, well, the look's going to be sort of more modernized, more animated. We're going to be looking at having things like adding blogs and sort of like shared albums, and a whole array of comment system all over the website, where you can comment on the videos, on the blogs, on the photos, on the shared albums, you know, just really sort of make it interactive all over the website, as well as on the forum. We're going to be linking the forum to the website. One of the sort of like the biggest features I'm liking is we want to sort of get the account system, a really nice account system, in which I want to get it so it's like a one lifetime life account, right? Because at the moment what we've got is we've got the forum account, and then if you want to be a paying subscribing member and view all the behind the scenes locked content videos, you gotta, you know, set up a PayPal account. Well, you got to pay via PayPal subscription to then set up an account, and then if, say, you decide you don't want to pay anymore, your account gets deleted. Well, with this new website, we're going to have it so it's a lifetime account, whereby your account is linked to everything. You know, your account's going to be linked to your blog posts, your blog comments all over the website, your account on the forum. It's going to be linked, it's going to be all nicely merged. If you decide to become a paying subscribing member, right, all it will do is just open up all these pages with all these videos, step-by-steps, rapid video builds, right? But if you decide to stop paying, it just means you don't get access to them, but you still keep your account and you can still post on the forum, the blog, you know, and it just makes things more interactive that way. So it is going to be, I think, a much more better website. It's going to be better for you guys with your viewing of Genessis models and being able to sort of do all the things you can do, and don't forget the store and everything. So it should be a whole lot better, but I do want to make this for you guys, really. I don't want to be sort of building it and go, boom, there you go, one day all of a sudden everything changes. I do want to sort of take my time a bit with this. I do want to get you guys on board. So if you are interested in this and help with the development and give feedback and everything, there is a post saying a new thread saying new forum on the Genessis Models forum. Go check that out, and you can put all your feedback and everything in there, because what's gonna probably happen with the website is I'll probably end up sort of making some sort of, or somebody might end up making like an alpha. So then this is where I'm kind of going to ask you guys to come along and do a bit of alpha testing, check out this new website, see how it looks, maybe make some dummy accounts, and then you can give your feedback, and then we can sort of then edit the website and then maybe turn it into a beta, and then you guys can come along as beta testers, check it out and so forth, and then we can make some final tweaks. And then what I want to do is kind of basically sort of get everyone's heads up, you know, everyone to sort of go take a look and then go, yeah, thumbs up, it's ready for launch. And then we'll set a launch date, and you'll all be there knowing, you'd all basically have had a say. So hopefully it's kind of custom built for you guys. You've all sort of put your comments in, so hopefully, you know, we'll get rid of all the things you don't like and add all the things that you do like, so it's all nicely custom made. We'll all sort of agree that it's ready, and then we'll all be like, right, we know the day it's happening, and hopefully it'll end up being a website for you guys. And with all the new things that are going on, with a new presenter, a new store and everything, hopefully this is going to be a new fantastic sort of, I don't know, a rebranding, a new start for Genessis Models to sort of go forward with a whole load of new cool stuff. So hopefully I'm looking forward to all that, but you know, I'm just going to sort of now finish off with a few bit more sort of general news with the GBs, because the GBs, right, we have our Photo Perfect. It ends on the 31st of August, right, which means that we need to start looking at what's going to be the next GB, which will start on the 1st of September. Now, I've already seen that on the forum. You guys have been sort of making suggestions and voting for what's going to be the next GB here at Genessis Models. You've still gonna, I think really you've got another month left on that. I'm gonna announce that. Where was I going to announce it? I was going to announce it in the next show, which should be released on the 7th of August. So I'm going to announce what's going to be the voted next GB by you guys, which then will give you virtually almost a month to get ready to start the new GB on the 1st of September, which then brings us to the Lockdown GB. And the Lockdown GB has been a major success. Loads and loads of you have done some fantastic work. Absolutely tons of people have finished and everything, but sadly that does come to an end on the 7th of July, which is in a couple of days time. I'll then be going off on the Friday, which will be the 10th of July, and I'll do a nice little video for that, like a little bit of a montage, show off all your work that you've completed and everything, announce the winners, and we've got a bunch of competition prizes for that as well, and I'll get them shipped out to you free of charge also. So those are all the GBs. Hopefully you've enjoyed them. Hopefully you're going to get on board with the new ones and voting for the new one and everything. And as for everything else, hopefully you're as excited as we are. But we are mega busy, so sadly this is the end of the show, because there is just absolutely tons and tons of work to do for me and all the team. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed that. Hopefully you're looking forward to the future of Genessis models. Hopefully you're going to be liking all our new team members that have come on board. But until next time, as always, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I'll catch you later.